Start clapping right now for Narcizo Gonzalez!
Everybody!
Shots! Cut it out, DJ! Hollywood Improv, how are you? Yeah, man! Woo! I'm competitive. Did you figure it out? I'm a homosexual. Did you struggle? These skinny jeans I'm wearing look like an ice cream cone, didn't get away. I'm still cute, yo. My name's Narcizo Gonzalez. I am Mexican. Narcizo Gonzalez. That's fucking Paisa Mexican at its best. And I grew up in Burbank with all white people. So they're like, what is that shit, dude? Nabisco, like a cracker? Seriously, how fucking hard is it to name a Mexican? I would have taken Juan, Jose, Maria. I got fucking Narciso, man. And my name actually means beauty and graceful and fucking gay. That's a gay ass name, man. I'm telling you, man. Especially you parents, when you have like all these new baby kids and stuff. Like, stop naming your kids all these new age names and shit. Like, not all babies are cool. Like, I was at the park with my nephew and I was like, let's go, Nicholas. He's like, okay, Theo, let's go. The dad next to me, he's like, Cinderella. I'm like, wow, that's magical. She's probably like a Disney princess. She's beautiful. He's like, Cinderella, let's go. She comes down. She's like, I'm not ready, Dad. I'm like, you fucking monster. You can't name her Cinderella when she looks like a fucking chupacabra. Kids are mean. She's gonna get beat up, you guys. I'm telling you, man. Cinderella, gargoyle. I'm telling you, man. Oh. Yes, man, I'm Mexican and I'm gay. So you can only that combination. Because I go to all the parties and I'm like, tias, they're like, oh my God, he's here. I don't walk around like this, tia. I walk around like this. That's gay. And they'll ask me like, do you do hair? No, I don't do hair. How about makeup? Nope, I don't do makeup either. Her one friend will say, my cousin's gay, do you know him? Bitch, we don't all know each other. We're not like a traveling gay pride parade just sprinkling glitter and shit. Tell you, man. I love it. I love the ladies. You guys are my favorite. I love the ladies. After every show I do, I always get one lady that comes up to me. She's like, Narciso, just give me one chance. Let me turn you back. I have a good pussy. I'm like, bitch, I have a good pussy. Ask your brother. I'm telling you, man. I love it. And like being gay, though, like we're so oversensitive now. Like we all these like LGBTQ, XYZ, I don't even know anymore. Growing up for me, it was like, what's up, gay guy? I'm like, what's up, dude? Like, it was easy. I just turned 40 years old, you guys. Isn't that crazy? 40 years old. I just had a birthday. I'm super excited though, but like growing up, like I just wanted a normal birthday, like pizza and hot dogs, but being a fucking Mexican kid, I got like birria and chivo and shit. I didn't want that. I just wanted like a normal fucking birthday, man. I always wanted one of those fucking quinceañeras. You know that big ass dress and shit? She can't move in it, the next day she's pregnant. It's like a twofer. That's what we do when you're Mexican, man. I'm telling you, man. I love it. You are cute. Why am I stroking this? Like imagining this is your cock. Are you into it? I love it. I'm expensive, asshole. I'm not one of those King Taco bitches. Yeah, man. You right? Hey. I love it, man. Summer's here. I'm excited. Damn, it was hot up there. It's hot up here. I feel like we're fucking one of those rotisserie chickens just spinning. Like, pick me, sir. Like, damn. I love it. I love summer. I actually started working out. That's not a joke. I really did. I started CrossFit. You know how hard that shit is? That shit's hard. But the trainer that I have, he is fine. So I'm always like, I'll do anything. So he's like, Narciso, you need to move that big ass wheel from here to there. I'm like, well, let me call AAA really quick, you fucking asshole. no big ass fucking wheel. The thing about dieting though, like seriously, my weight loss goals are just to like, I want to stop wearing black. Like we think just because we wear black, it's gonna disappear. No, bitch, we all see it. It's still there. Improv, my name's Narcizo Gonzalez. Thanks for having me, you guys. Keep it going for your host. Thank you so much.